So today we'll be seeing websites which I have made in my UG second year. So yes, this is the website. You can visit this by following this address tjlexfolio.tech. It's live on this domain. You can change the modus to dark and light. Go in the project section and which is there above second. And yeah, so I'll be showing you two websites today. One is Juris Lens. After clicking here, will be delivered here. This is the look and feel of the website. It will open on AI Studio of Google to keep the data safe and decrease all the tracing and tracking. So let's say we search for a very famous legal saga of Keshava Nanda Bharti. No need to search full case for citation. Just single name is enough sometimes. And yes, you will be treated with lots of legal maxims and everything. And this is the case record. So it will show you much more related case and a very in one sentence summary of the case. And yeah, so our case is this. We'll open that, same, treated with the legal maxims and some motivations. Yeah, the loading screen is the cable falling upon the order. Yes. We'll wait for a while because it's constructing the summary, and after this reading of this summary, everything will be clear. So yeah, here this comes. Supreme Court of India 1973, Keshwananda Bharti, then the case citation, then the option to download this PDF. I'll show you this in the end. Then the benches, largest bench in Indian history, an honorable bench, all name of the judges, and then the history, procedural history, how this case started. So step by step, in 5 simple steps, we know why this case is contesting in the court. Yeah, so the facts and narrative starts from here. Yes, so it will be as deep as it can be and as small as you can just read it in one go. And then both sides argument, petitioners, and then respondents. Both of the arguments, and then the ratio decidingly, the soul of the case, which is it, the soul. And yeah, Parliament has wide powers when the Constitution is fundamental rights, but this power is not absolute. Every provision of the Constitution can be amended, providing the result of the Constitution retains its basic structure and essential feature. This changed the course of legal history in India. Yeah, so the final judgment is this. Validity of the Amendment and first part of the 25th Amendment. Blah blah blah. Yeah, and then comes the IRAC analysis, issue, rule, analysis, conclusion. In very simple and very breakdown format. Very easy to write exam format also. This is just for my student friends. And a notice, reasoning note. So yeah, legal trajectory. The precedents which this case was relied or overruled. Sorry. So this is here, there, and then the subsequent developments after this case. And then analytics page. Impact score is 100 out of 100. Citation timelines 1970s. It has been cited till present. Judicial quiz, historic 7:6, highest bench, and very close judicial split. The concepts or keywords of the case, and at last the sources and the direct download links. If you click on this, you will be getting access to the whole PDF for free, like you can see from here, from the official website, that for free full PDF. And the added benefits of my website is you can click the small button here. This is like entering into Vakil mode, Supreme Court of Juris Lens law. So yeah, this is Vakil mode, In this there is working strategy note. It will show you like a colleague or a senior, good senior, and will explain the case to you like him. So all that is there in this note, and you can go back to normal one by clicking back. Then you can download the PDF from here. It will directly get downloaded in one click, and you can view it in offline also. It will be a simple breakdown searchable PDF. Oh fuck. Yeah, that is it for this website. Now we head towards the other website. So the other website is from the website repository AuraPraxis. After clicking to AuraPraxis, this will be the interface open to you. This is straight up automatic researcher for all the lawyers out there. You can literally make everything and anything in here. If you are a litigator, petition to judgment, skeleton, argument, affidavit, will feel everything. Then in drafting, you have contract, scripted, sale deed, partnership, will, notice, advisory, everything. And at last in research, there is case brief, case summary, law review, article, everything. So, and in study aid, there is notes, flashcards, assignment, case list. So in research, we'll do some small research on the, we'll write some article. So I'm getting ideas. So let's write on the concept of fair marketing, the in-laws, but giving the powers to implement on ground. So this is just a brainstorm topic, not heading to anything. So we'll try to make an article on this. We'll keep the citation protocol to Oscilla. We will keep the humanized draft too, and we'll just click on generate content. It will take a while to format, and here we will see it will take a while. Till then we will explore other part. In the website there is the recent history part, wherein you can see all the papers that you have generated and in the last credits and all. Yeah, so I think yes, for formatting is done. Yeah, you can maximize the document by clicking on full screen, and the full screen window pops up, and here you can see all document. So the efficiency of legal aid and the enforcement of procedural justice from statutory mandate to operational reality. We'll just read abstract. The transition from a theoretical right to an enforceable reality reforms a primary challenge for a modern legal system, where the enactment of laws providing for free legal aid constitutes a legislative achievement. The absence of robust implementation mechanisms often renders these threats illusory. Blah 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 blah. The keywords, the introduction part with all the citations also provided, literature review, constitutional mandate, judicial foundation, chapter 3, chapter 4, enforcement gap, moving from law to ground implementation, comparative jurisprudence, global standards, strengthening justice, and 7, analysis of the proportionality of state action, findings and systematic recommendations, and then the last conclusion, and all the things that cited in a proper Oscar table as we selected Oscar. And also there is a humanized version of the same, formatted different and humanized different. A humanized format is a bit different, and we'll try to tackle and keep the tone more natural and human as possible. Thank you.